Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we are diving deep into a powerhouse compound your body absolutely needs to function, Coenzyme Q10. We're going to talk about what it is, why a lot of supplements out there just don't cut it, and take a look at a really unique approach that's designed to fix that exact problem. So let me start by asking you a question. Have you ever really thought about what's fueling you on a microscopic level? I mean, what's powering every single thing you do? The answer is pretty amazing, and it gets us right to the heart of why CoQ10 is so important. You see, the answer is tucked away deep inside your cells in this incredibly complex little energy engine that's working for you 24/7. Okay, time for a quick trip back to high school biology. Remember learning about mitochondria? They always called them the powerhouses of the cell, and for good reason. Their entire job is to take the food you eat, your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and convert it into raw, usable energy for your whole body. And this is where our star player, Coenzyme Q10, steps onto the stage. It is absolutely essential to that whole energy-making process. CoQ10 is what helps create something called ATP, which is basically the universal energy currency for your body. To put it simply, no CoQ10, no energy. It's that critical. But here's the plot twist. Just popping a CoQ10 pill doesn't guarantee your body can actually use it. See, there's this huge hurdle that a lot of people just don't know about, and it all boils down to one word: absorption. It turns out CoQ10 isn't just one thing. It comes in two forms. On one hand, you've got Ubiquinone. This is the standard, conventional form you'll find in most supplements. Think of it like a key that's almost the right shape, but not quite. Your body has to do extra work to convert it before it can unlock anything. Then you have Ubiquinol. This is the active form. It's bioidentical, meaning it's already the perfect shape, ready to go to work instantly. And right there, that's the heart of the issue. Since the vast majority of supplements on the shelf use that less efficient ubiquinone form, your body might really struggle to get what it needs. You could be taking something every day and not getting anywhere near the full benefit. So you might be wondering, how do we get around this absorption issue? Well, this is where Jala Life's solution comes into play. Their entire focus is on something called bioavailability, which is just a fancy way of saying, how much of this stuff can my body actually absorb and use? And get this, according to the source material, Jala Life's unique liquid formula delivers up to 15 times, that's 15 times higher bioavailability than those conventional CoQ10 supplements. I mean, that is a night and day difference in terms of potential impact. This right here is Jala Life's big claim. And it's a bold one, but it's not just marketing fluff. It's all based on some very specific choices they've made in their formulation. So let's break down exactly how they do it. Okay, so their whole formula is this smart combination of ingredients working together. First off, they start with that premium active ubiquinol from a company called Kaneka. Then, to make sure your body can actually absorb it, they put it in a special water-soluble liquid form. That's the real game changer for that bioavailability boost. And to top it all off, it's stabilized with prebiotic gum arabic and even enhanced with vitamin E to make sure it stays effective. And we really have to talk about where they get their main ingredient. Kaneka, based in Japan, is the gold standard. They're known for producing the world's only natural and bioidentical ubiquinol using a special patented process. So you know you're not just getting any old CoQ10. You're getting a premium-grade raw material that's held to the absolute highest standards of quality. But you know, how effective a formula is on paper is only half the battle. What's also really important is the purity and overall quality of the final product you're actually holding in your hand. And when it comes to being clean, this formula checks all the boxes. It's totally vegan and gluten-free. There's zero sugar, no alcohol, and really importantly, no artificial additives, no palm oil, and none of those synthetic things like polysorbates. And of course, it's all lab tested to confirm that purity. This commitment really extends to the whole product. I mean, it's manufactured in Switzerland under super strict standards, it's packaged in a brown glass bottle, which is crucial for protecting it from sunlight, and they even use eco-friendly rice flour for the labels. It's clear they've thought about every little detail. So how do you take it? Super simple. You just shake the bottle, mix about 20 drops into a glass of water, that's around 200 milliliters, and drink it once a day. Now the source is clear that you shouldn't exceed that recommended dose, so stick to the 20 drops. And just as a practical note, one of these little bottles actually contains 600 drops. So if you're taking 20 drops a day, that's a full 30-day supply right there, which is perfect for staying consistent with it. So we'll wrap up by turning the question back to you. Now that you know just how important the right form and the right formulation are for something like Coenzyme Q10, it really makes you think, doesn't it? Are the supplements you're taking really delivering their full potential? It's a pretty important question for anyone who's serious about their health.